Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents video. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting. Unfortunately, I'm not really presentable to have like a camera up or anything like that, so we'll have some footage of previous cooking videos just kind of cycling through in the background. I hope that's okay. But I wanted to talk about the fact that I have officially signed up for culinary school, and I will be starting next month. Now, it's not your traditional in-person culinary school. It is online, and I know people are going to start saying all over the place, there's no way you can get an education like that, you need to go to real school or whatever. Well, I have a kid, a wife, 3 YouTube channels, and a whole bunch of stuff going on, and it's literally impossible for me to do that. I don't have the means, the money, or the transportation. I just can't do it. So if it's not this, then it's nothing. So it's going to be this. So save your comments if if people are going to try to convince me that this is not a sufficient way to do it, because this is my only option. So this is what I've decided to do. With that said, I have looked into this program, researched it to the very best of my ability, and checked out as much as I can about it, and everything appears to be on the up and up. I've talked to people. I've decided to I went on ahead and applied for financial aid, got that squared away, attended a few Zoom calls talking to some of the chefs and stuff that were available. And the reason that I'm really excited about this program is the fact that it basically is tailored for my lifestyle and the things that I already do. For example, my cooking channel, the way in which I record my videos, I photograph my food and all that stuff, all of that is a requirement to turn in your assignments throughout this course. And I do it regularly, every day. Almost. I'm recording videos and editing footage and uploading pictures and editing pictures, food pictures and stuff like that. It's what I do on the regular basis. So, and being at home and being in this kind of comfortable environment, not having to worry about my anxiety and being put on the spot in front of a whole bunch of other people, like, these are things that make this particular learning style optimal for me. Not only that, I have a pretty decent grasp on cooking as it is. It's not like I need a full-blown education as somebody who knows absolutely nothing about cooking or whatever. I have a lot to learn, I'm sure. And I'm sure there are going to be tons of things throughout this program that are a huge challenge for me. Lots of things I'm not looking forward to at all, like making homemade pastas and stuff like that, or just dealing with making dough in general is something that terrifies me, because it's something I've avoided, because I just don't think I'll be good at it. But, you know, I think I'd be good at anything, and here we are. So, everything appears to be good. A lot of the people that I talked to seem like really good people. I was able to look up a lot of information on the school and get some good feedback. Both of the physical campuses seem to be pretty decent places that people seem to really enjoy going to. And as far as the online program is concerned, there was definitely some complaints that I seen from people who seemed to have issues, but there was also plenty of people who loved the program and sung its praises. And that's going to be the case with everything, so I just decided to dive in. It is affordable, which was the number one thing that drew me in, because compared to anything else that I've ever looked at as far as going to culinary school, it is probably 2 times cheaper, if not a little bit more, based on the way that I got set up. Significantly cheaper to get through and get paid for. I was approved for full financial aid, which was nice, and I already have a payment plan kind of set up to take care of any interest in whatever, either before or right after I finish with the program anyway. So I'm being proactive. I'm trying to handle this as smart as possible. So I'm really excited. I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up and let you know what the plan was and how that's going to be going. I'll be documenting my progress and any new techniques and stuff that I learned throughout the course, and chances are, because we have a good picture of what the curriculum is going to look like moving forward, I'll have a good head start on a lot of stuff, so I can do some practice videos and stuff like that I'll be uploading for you guys. throughout my journey. And what I was thinking of doing in order to help supplement this and make sure that I have the food, the materials and stuff that I need is I've actually been kind of dancing around the concept of opening up a Patreon in order to help me throughout this process. For people who enjoy the channel and would like to see me succeed, you can also help support the channel. It's something that I've tried before with a previous channel and it worked out okay. But this time, as opposed to last time, there will be actual content available, because I didn't really do much, honestly, with the other Patreon, and I felt really bad about it because, you know, people were supporting my channel because they wanted to support me, but I couldn't really offer anything back. This time I can. Lots of behind the scenes stuff, a lot of practice things of watching me fail miserably at new things that I've never tried before, documentary kind of, well, not really documentary, but vlog style videos of me talking about my experience and different things like that. And, you know, just personal streams, well, not really personal streams, but exclusive streams that I will be doing specifically for patrons that will, you know, have a more personal kind of behind the scenes note, stuff that won't really make it to the main channel because it's either embarrassing or you know, I just don't like being on camera, so I don't usually upload stuff that puts me on camera. But if I do upload that stuff anywhere, it'll probably be there. So let me know what you guys think about that idea. It's something that I've been kind of bouncing around a bit, and it'll be modest. You know, I'm not expecting anybody to do anything crazy. There'll be really low level or mid-range tiers, and I'll try to make pretty much all of the content accessible regardless of whatever tier you choose, unless it's something very specific. Like, obviously, I'll probably have a tier specifically designated for people who want me to make specific dishes. And you know, you'll be able to request that directly, and I will make it regardless of what it is, as long as I have access to the ingredients. Because if I can't get the ingredients, then I just can't make the dish. Like, I can't make anything appear out of thin air. Hopefully you guys are reasonable enough to understand that, but I am rambling at this point, so let me know what you guys think about that. Like I said, I'm gonna keep you posted on just kind of you know, watching me kind of move through this, which, you know, like I said, I'm both excited and a little nervous about, but it should be fun. And then if you want access to more kind of behind the scenes exclusive, a little more in-depth and personal content, you can support me over on Patreon, and yeah, it'll be greatly appreciated. So as I said, let me know what you guys think about that idea. Comments, guys, please. If you watch the video, just take a moment, give me some feedback. I don't care if it's like, no, that's stupid, nobody's giving you money for that, you shut up, you deal with it yourself. Even if it's just that, like, I don't care, just feedback. It really helps with the channel. It helps me gauge where you guys are, and it shows me that you actually care about the content that I make, you know. So if you could do that, that would be great. Otherwise, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys on the next one.